In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trade on Pepperstone. We'll walk through the process using MetaTrader 5, often called MT5. The workflow is very similar on other platforms like MetaTrader 4, TradingView, or CTrader, but MT5 gives us a clean, reliable example to follow. First, open MetaTrader 5 and log in to your trading account. Go to the File menu and choose Login to Trade Account. You'll be prompted for your account number, your password, and the correct Pepperstone server. Make sure you select the server that matches your account type, such as Live or Demo. You should see a connection status in the bottom right corner. When it turns green with data flowing, you're connected. Remember, never share your login details with anyone. Next, choose the market you want to trade. Open the Market Watch panel. If it's not visible, press Ctrl+M or look for the Market Watch icon. Browse the list for a symbol like EURUSD for the euro against the US dollar, or XAUUSD for gold. Double-click a symbol to load its price data, or drag it onto a chart to view it. If you don't see the instrument you're after, right-click inside Market Watch and select Show All to display the full list. Take a moment to glance at the spread and current price action so you know the trading costs and context. Now open the order window. There are 3 quick ways to do this. Press F9 on your keyboard, click New Order on the toolbar, or right-click directly on the chart, choose Trading, then New Order. Any of these will bring up the same order ticket. In the order window, set your trade details. Choose your volume, which is your lot size. For example, 0.01 is a micro lot. Size your trade according to your risk tolerance. Add a stop loss to define the price where your loss is cut automatically, and set a take profit to lock in gains at your target price. For type, select Market Execution if you want to enter immediately at the current price, or choose a pending order if you plan to enter at a specific future price. When you're ready to execute, click Buy by Market if you expect price to rise, or Sell by Market if you expect it to fall. Your open position will appear in the Trade tab at the bottom of MT5, showing entry price, stop loss, take profit, floating profit or loss, and any associated costs. To close the trade, go to the Trade tab and click the X next to the position, or right-click the position and choose Close Order. If your stop loss or take profit is hit, MT5 will close the trade automatically. That's it. Simple, precise, and repeatable.